I was cleaning out my refrigerator yesterday because I'm moving, and I was packing stuff up, and I was going through my pantry and stuff, and I noticed that on the bottom of those seasonings and on the bottom of that stuff in the pantry, there's an expiration date. And I discovered that some of the stuff I thought would keep didn't last as long as I thought it would. And you know what I was thinking on the way to church? Some of y'all have some praise that you've been keeping on the shelf. And you said, I'll pull that praise out later. I'll use that dance later. I'll use that shout later. But can I tell you something I discovered? Your praise does not last as long as you think it does. In other words, you got to use it while you have it. Take a neighbor and say, don't hold that praise and let it expire. Tell them you got to use that praise while you have it. While the praise is still good, you got to use it. While the dance is still good, you got to dance it. While the leap is still good, you got to leap. What? Don't let your praise expire. You better use it. You better use it. You better. Oh, 1 Samuel, I will not give him expired praise, but because I woke up this morning with new mercies, he get a new praise. Hey. Yeah. We got to move on. I don't have time to shout with y'all. We got to read from 1 Samuel. Come on, y'all. We got to. It's 10:33. Y'all want to take 2 minutes? All right, go ahead. Through the storm and the rain, through your sickness and your pain, through the storm and the rain, you might have sickness and you might have pain. Sing through the storm, through the rain, you might have sickness and you might have pain. Guess what? You can depend. You can depend. Ooh, you can depend. Oh! All right. We gotta move. One more time. One more. I'm moving on. Through the storm, through the rain, you might have sickness, since you might feel a little pain. Through your storm, through your rain, oh, your sickness, you might even have pain. Say through the storm, I don't hear you on through the rain. You might have sickness and you might have pain, but I can't let you can depend. You can depend. Tell your neighbor, you can depend. You can depend. Say, I can depend. I can depend. I can depend. I know I can depend. Tell him, you can depend. We can depend. We can depend. Oh, we can depend. Last time, we can depend. We can depend. Oh, we can depend. Hey! Hey! I can depend on God. I can depend on God. Would you say, I can depend on? I can depend on God. Tell y'all say what I say. Tell your neighbor, you can depend on. You can Let that man praise him over there. I like that. Oh, you can depend on. Can we all say it one time? Say, we can depend on. 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 Hey! Hey! 1 Samuel chapter 22. Hey! Woo! 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 You can depend on. 1 Samuel 22. I can depend on. We can depend on. We can depend on. We can depend on. We can depend on. I said we can depend on. I said we can depend on. Oh, we can depend. I said we can depend. I said we can depend. We can depend on. When other folk let you down. When other folk walk out. When other folk drop the ball. We can depend on. We can depend on. We can depend on. Let me read my verse. I'm sorry. He's dependable though. Hey! I said he's dependable. I said he is. All right. 1 Samuel 22. Y'all don't want to go with me. Through the storm and the rain, through your sickness and your pain, through the storm and the rain, you might have sickness, might even feel, God gonna do it for you today, sis. Through your storm and your rain, you might have sickness and pain. You can depend. You can depend. You can depend. You can depend. I can depend. Say I can depend. Tell yourself we can depend. We can depend. This section can depend. This section can depend. You're over there can depend. Righteous you can depend. All our family can depend. We can depend. I'm done. We can depend. We can depend. Ooh, we can depend. So sorry. 1 Samuel 22. Happy Father's Day. Go ahead, Kenny. Get what you need. We can depend. We can depend. Verse number 1.